Okay, so Aditya, me and Saklani sir are proceeding ahead with your mock for PhD interview in IIT Kharagpur, right?
Yes, sir.
In industrial engineering, industrial and systems engineering.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very brief academic introduction from your side, in which you will tell us about your BTech, which branch, where, when did you do it, or if you are doing presently, your CGPA, your GATE score.
Sir, my name is Aditya Haldar. I am from West Bengal, India. I have joined my BTech engineering in the year of 2018, and up to, now I am a final year BTech student. And up till now, my BTech CGPA is 8.1, and my GATE score is 438.
Okay, so with this, you have got calls from anywhere else also, Aditya?
No, sir.
Okay, tell me something about your BTech project.
Sir, my BTech project is, sir, inflation yeah, design and fabrication of self-inflating tire system.
Okay, what did you do in that?
Sir, in that case, suppose when a car is running, in maximum cases, the pressure within the tire is less than the optimum pressure. So we want to design that kind of system which will help to self-inflating up to the up to that pressure level which is optimum.
Self-inflating, how is that done? How is that
Actually,
done,
sir,
self-inflating?
sir, I have forgotten at this moment
Okay,
because
so you don't look like confident in your project.
sir, lots of time I am not studied about my project because it is going on here, and I have detached from my project.
Okay, justify your interest in this department and in PhD. Why you want to do PhD after BTech only, and why this department only?
Sir, I want to become a professor in future, so I thought that it is a very good chance for me. That is why I want to. I am interested in PhD and industrial and system engineering. When I have started this subject in undergraduate course, I felt a lot of interest in this subject, and it is also associated with industry, which is which is associated also in real life problem. If my knowledge will help to solve real life problem, that will make me happy.
So
That is
what is
why,
your plan after PhD?
sir, I want to become professor in any premium institute of India.
Okay, so have you seen research areas, research work going on in IIT Kharagpur in this department? And are you interested in particular research area?
Sir, I have seen about IIT Kharagpur research area. Sir, honestly speaking, sir, informally, in IIT Kharagpur से supply chain management and logistics इसमें research चल रहा है basically. सर, लेकिन सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट में मेरा उतना नॉलेज नहीं है क्योंकि ये अंडर ग्रेजुएट में नहीं था.
See, supply chain is a very generic term. You understand, supply chain has many parts, including inventory and all these things, you know. So it is
Okay,
not
sir.
that entire supply chain may you do your PhD. It can be a small part of that. And
Okay, sir.
what I would like to ask you is, Aditya, that which part of industrial engineering you are confident in?
Sir, inventory control.
Are you good in that?
Yes, sir. I think that.
Okay. So Saklani sir, I think we can proceed ahead with inventory.
Okay, so Aditya, so before we proceed for this inventory control, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you just briefly explain us what do you understand by industrial and system engineering?
Sir, industrial engineering is that branch of engineering which deals with design and design and design and industrial management, which deals with the design of in industry design of production, design of production management, and it tries to delete the unproductive things, and its objective is to increase the productivity. This is industrial engineering, sir.
Okay, so basic purpose is to increase the productivity. That's what you want to say,
Yes,
or
sir.
to make the process more efficient.
Yes, sir.
To make the process more efficient, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are the tools? How can we just make the process more efficient?
So there are lots of tools like, sir, a mathematical approach or anything which is practically we can say, suppose man management or anything we can do. Suppose any unproductive operation we can delete from the from our whole operation. By
Mhm.
these things we can improve our productivity.
Okay. So have you studied about work study?
No, sir.
You have not?
No, sir.
Okay. So okay. So since you are telling that okay, you're comfortable in inventory, so can you let me understand what is the meaning of inventory
Sir,
and why do we do inventory?
Sir, inventory means basically stock, and in inventory management, we have to find out the optimum quantity which we actually ordered for minimize the in cost of inventory and to run our business successfully without any delay or lag.
Mhm.
This
Okay.
is the inventory management.
So is it good to maintain inventory or not?
Yes, sir, it is good.
It is good.
Yes, sir.
Then how much should we maintain?
Sir, up to the EOQ level. EOQ level we have to order and according to the demand we have to maintain and all those things.
What is that EOQ level? What is EOQ?
Sir, economic order quantity.
Can you explain a little bit? What is economic order quantity?
Sir, economic order quantity is that much, that quantity, if we order up to that much, then the inventory cost will be minimized. Inventory cost will be minimum.
Okay. So you mean to say that if you order such a quantity which minimizes the total inventory cost, we call it as
Yes,
EOQ.
sir. Yes, sir.
So what are those costs? Broadly, can you let us know?
Yes, sir. I know. Inventory cost means, sir, inventory carrying cost and inventory and, sir, ordering cost. Carrying cost and ordering cost. Summation of these two costs is known as inventory cost.
So what is the difference between these two?
Sir, ordering cost means when we are going to order something from some another organization, the cost related with that is ordering cost. Suppose like, sir, telephone cost, tender cost, transportation cost, like this. And the carrying cost or holding cost, we have to take rent some warehouse, or we have to make some warehouse or go down to store these things. And we have to pay for watchman, and all those things are related with inventory carrying cost or holding cost.
Okay, so have you heard about a term called as this just in time?
Yes, sir, I have heard.
So what is it and what is it related to?
Sir, as far I can understand, it is related to lead time.
So what is it? Can you explain a little bit?
Sir, what's the lead time?
No. Okay, lead time. What is lead time and what is just in time?
The lead time means the time interval between placing on an order and receiving an order. This is the lead time. And
Okay.
just in time, as far I can understand, it seems like if I place an order at this moment, then I will get this thing at this moment only. There is no lead time. Lead time will be 0, like this.
In just in time, lead time is 0.
Yes, sir. ऐसे ही लग रहा है.
Okay, you know something about Aditya, this just in case concept? Like just in time, there's a concept of just in case also.
No, sir.
No idea?
No, sir.
अच्छा मेरे को ये बताओ, forecasting और inventory, how they are related?
Sir, forecasting, in forecasting we are trying to we are trying to know that about the future demand, and on the basis of that we are trying to stock our goods or things, whatever.
Okay, and how this new techniques like artificial intelligence and all are going to revolutionize these two things?
No idea, sir.
Okay, and any idea about the new developments in field of forecasting and this all inventory management things?
Sir, Delphi technique in forecasting.
What is that?
Sir, in Delphi technique, there is a board of few expertise members, and they have been asked about about some questions, and on the basis of their answers, the second question asked like this. The process will going on. It is a step-by-step process, and at the end, common
It is a
idea.
long brainstorming session, बहुत लंबा चलता है वो तो, और ये
Yes,
बहुत
sir.
पुरानी टेक्निक भी है. This is a very very old technique. आदित्य आज के लिए सारे का सारा जो आप देख रहे हो कि मेडिसिन का प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, शॉर्टेज है मेडिसिन, ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर का शॉर्टेज है. यू आर मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, राइट?
Yes, sir.
तो आपने ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर देखा है कभी कॉलेज में?
कॉलेज में सर वेल्डिंग का टाइम में देखा है.
कौन से कलर का होता है?
सर मारून.
मैरून कलर होता है, ब्लैक कलर होता है?
सर
लंबा
black
पतला
और
छोटा मोटा क्या होता है बताओ?
सर लंबा होता है.
लंबा और पतले वाला होता है.
हाँ, यस सर.
ओके, और ये उसमें प्रेशर वगैरह का कुछ आइडिया कितना होता है?
सर
वो सिलेंडर को अगर
15
मैं यूज करना चाहूँ हॉस्पिटल में तो क्या यूज कर सकता हूँ सेम सिलेंडर हॉस्पिटल में?
सर वो तो सर प्रेशर का ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा.
हम्म,
प्रेशर का ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा. ये तो मेरा
तो
पता
फिर
नहीं
बताओ
है
उसकी
कि
सप्लाई चेन जो हमारा ऑक्सीजन की कमी आ रही है तो कैसे उस सप्लाई चेन को हम करेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
sir, we have to produce more number. We have to produce more oxygen, and we have to take care about the.
No, let me tell you. Can you make a transportation model out of this problem? There are people, there are supply point, there are destinations. Can you solve it as a transportation problem? And what will be the main problem? What is the objective function in this?
Sir, main problem is to supply all those points where the oxygen needs oxygen. The demanding of oxygen is high. We have to supply all those points.
Okay, so you want to minimize the time in this?
Obviously, sir.
Okay, so any practical answers to that? Real examples
So real examples of what?
of demand and supply points?
Real examples of demand and supply points. Like sir, suppose in West Bengal, in Durgapur, there is a oxygen plant. As far I know, there is a oxygen plant, and in Delhi, there is requirement of oxygen is very high at this moment. So we have to arrange some special train or like this, any special flight to supply oxygen from West Bengal to Delhi.
Okay,
And
okay.
there is, if there is a chance that nearer to Delhi there is some supply point, then we have to supply from nearer from Delhi. There is.
Okay, okay, Aditya, tell me something about this your operation research and operation management. Do you know the difference there too? Operation research and operation management?
Sir, operation research is a process, is a mathematical and statistical approach where mathematical and statistical approach in LPP where there is a objective function and there is certain resources, and we have to optimize the objective function with the help of that resources. It is a mathematical approach, and in operation management, it is not a mathematical approach. It is like increase the productivity or like that.
अच्छा, आप मेरे को प्रोडक्शन और प्रोडक्टिविटी में डिफरेंस बता सकते हैं क्या?
Sir, production means with the help of some process we can convert our raw material to a finished product, finished good.
Good.
It is production, and productivity means sir output, and output divided by input, and it can be more than 100%.
Okay, how cycle time is related to productivity?
Sir, cycle time is related to productivity because sir, at each workstation, the cycle at each workstation we have to wait nearer to we have to wait equal to the cycle time. So sir, suppose the cycle time is 10 and and then in 1 hour we the productivity the number of item we can get 6. That is sir related.
Do you know what is ABC analysis?
No sir.
Pareto analysis?
No sir.
Okay, Saklani sir.
Okay, so Aditya,
Yes sir.
can you let me know the relationship between this production planning and control, inventory, and forecasting? How they are related?
Sir, if we want to produce something, then we need some raw material and all those things. And when we go to purchase those raw material, we need to know how much we want to buy from another organization. Then we need to know about the demand. Then we have to guess the demand. Then we will help the process of forecasting. We will take help the process of forecasting.
So I want to know the relationship, how they are complementing each other.
Sir, that means you want to know which come at first, then which come.
Okay, you can go ahead that way also.
Sir, at first we have to plan what we want to produce and all those things for those how much money is required, how much area plot is required, and all those things. After that, when we will come in the practical field, we have to know about the demand. Then we need the forecast. Then we have to order our raw material. Then we need inventory. Then we produce something.
Okay, so I think we can give him feedback now, right?
Yes.
Let me just start from my side and then we can move on. आदित्य, पहले तो आपको जो है ना कुछ एक इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग के जो बेसिक पार्ट है उसको फोकस करना पड़ेगा.
यस सर.
ठीक है, क्योंकि उसको तैयार नहीं करोगे तो वो कहाँ से पूछेगा आपसे क्वेश्चन फिर. ठीक है, सो फॉर एग्जांपल इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग और सिस्टम इंजीनियरिंग क्या है, जैसे मैंने बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछा था आपसे. चलो आपने ठीक दिया जवाब, उसमें आप बता पाए कि बेसिकली वी वांट टू मेक द इम्प्रूवमेंट्स इन द सिस्टम. ठीक है, तो फिर मैंने पूछा कि वर्क स्टडी सुना है. वर्क स्टडी तो एक बहुत ही कॉमन टेक्निक है, मेथड है.
Yes sir, I have heard it, but recently during gate time I have studied it also, but at this moment I did not study it. That is why I cannot.
थोड़ा सा आइडिया होना चाहिए, सो जस्ट गो थ्रू इट. ऐसा नहीं
yes,
कि जाने की जरूरत है, कम से कम आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि वर्क स्टडी क्या है एंड इसकी एप्लीकेशन क्या है, हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बी यूज्ड इन इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग टू इंप्रूव द प्रोसेसेस. ठीक है. अच्छा, फिर मैंने एक शुरू में सप्लाई चेन और लॉजिस्टिक की बात हुई थी.
यस सर.
तो आपने कहा कि आपको बिल्कुल भी आइडिया नहीं है उसके बारे में, तो थोड़ा सा आइडिया ले लो. सप्लाई चेन क्या है, गूगल में सर्च आउट कर सकते हो कि व्हाट इज सप्लाई चेन. सप्लाई चेन में डिफरेंट डोमेन्स क्या क्या आते हैं.
Sir, actually in your PDF panel there are 2 videos are available for supply chain of IIT Roorkee, some professors of IIT Roorkee, but it is a YouTube free YouTube video. So when I went YouTube, lots of videos are there, so I thought it is not possible to cover up at this.
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, आप केवल टर्म्स के बारे में तो पता कर लो थोड़ा सा, वीडियो देखने की जरूरत नहीं है कोई भी. गूगल इट आउट. गूगल में सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट क्या होती है उतना सा ही, अगर थोड़ा सा छोटा सा आर्टिकल कोई एक पेज का पढ़ लोगे तो उससे काम चल जाएगा आपका. आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा व्हाट इज सप्लाई चेन. सप्लाई चेन में आता क्या क्या है, इन्वेंट्री, फोरकास्टिंग, और जो बाकी आपका इन्वेंट्री की बात कर रहे हैं, लॉजिस्टिक की बात कर रहे हैं, ये सारा का सारा जो है वो क्या है, उसी के डोमेन में फॉल करता है.
ओके सर.
तो है क्या टर्म और उसके दायरे में क्या फॉल करता है वो आपको पता होना चाहिए.
ओके सर.
ठीक है। अच्छा, फिर मैंने क्या कहते हैं, एक क्वेश्चन पूछा आपसे रिलेटेड से इन्वेंट्री कि इज इट गुड टू मेंटेन द इन्वेंट्री, तो आपका स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आंसर था यस। इन्वेंट्री के केस में आप स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आंसर नहीं दे सकते यस और नो, ठीक है। तो उसमें आप ये बोल सकते हो, एट द बेस्ट ये बोल सकते हो कि हाँ, हमें ऑप्टिमम इन्वेंट्रीज की तरफ जो है वो ध्यान देना है। वी हैव टू ट्राई टू रिड्यूस द इन्वेंट्री।
ओके।
हमारी हमेशा कम से कम करने की है। कितनी कम है वो आपको जो एनालाइज करना पड़ेगा सिस्टम को, उसके बाद ही बता सकते हो। जैसे आपने कहा कि एक मेथड है, जैसे हम यूज करते हैं इकोनॉमिक ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी का यूज करते हैं, तो ऑप्टिमाइज की कितना करना है, ठीक है। अच्छा, दूसरा फिर उसी से रिलेटेड कुछ एक इन्वेंट्री में है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर हैविंग जस्ट इन टाइम कंसेप्ट क्या है, एक और डॉक्टर विजेंद्र ने मेंशन किया एबीसी एनालिसिस क्या है, पेरेटो एनालिसिस क्या है। ये सारे इन्वेंट्री से रिलेटेड टर्म्स हैं, ये तो बहुत ही कॉमन टर्म्स हैं जो कि वो ऐसे पूछ सकता है आपसे।
ओके सर।
तो ये कुछ बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन, जैसे मैं पीपीसी इन्वेंट्री और फोरकास्टिंग के बीच मैंने डिफरेंस पूछा, आपको कैसे रिलेट करते हैं आप, ठीक है। देखो, आपका फोकस जब भी आपने पहले, तो सबसे पहले आप करोगे कि कितना बनाना है मैंने, कितना बनाने के लिए पहले आपको जो है डिमांड पता होनी चाहिए। डिमांड आपकी फोरकास्टिंग से आएगी, उसके बेसिस पे आप प्लान करोगे और अकॉर्डिंगली फिर इन्वेंट्री, जैसे रॉ मटेरियल कितना ऑर्डर करना है, कितना मेंटेन करना, कब आपके पास पहुंचेगा, वो सारा जो है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा। तो फोरकास्टिंग जो है बहुत क्रिटिकल रोल प्ले करती है जितनी भी सारी प्रोसेसेस हैं बीच में इन सप्लाई चेन। अच्छे से फोकस किया है तो जो फ्लक्चुएशंस हैं आपकी बीच में, अनसर्टेनिटीज की, जो मिनिमाइज हो जाएंगी। अगर फोकसिंग अच्छी नहीं है तो ऑब्वियसली क्या होगा, बीच में डिमांड बढ़ गई तो आपका जो है सारा सिस्टम हिल जाएगा। जैसे आपका क्या हुआ अभी कोविड में हुआ, फोकस्टिंग ही नहीं थी। अगर फोकस्टिंग अच्छी होती तो क्या होता, ऑक्सीजन के सिलेंडर मिलते।
यस सर।
ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से आप चीजों को रिलेट कर सकते हैं। और आई थिंक जो जनरल बाकी पोर्शन है, डॉक्टर विजेंद्र इज गिविंग यू, गोइंग टू गिव यू द फीडबैक, उसके लिए आपको रेडी होना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अभी आपको आइडिया नहीं है बहुत सारी चीजों का ना। कब है आपका इंटरव्यू आदित्य?
सर ये डेट अभी नहीं बताया है, बोलो।
चलो ठीक है, ओके।
Okay, so Aditya, अभी I think your BTech का जो प्रोजेक्ट है, they sometime ask you, right? So you cannot
Yes,
say
sir.
कि सर मेरे को बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता, उसको रिवाइज कर लो। एंड
Yes,
यू नो,
sir.
निटी बॉम्बे का जहाँ पे फोल्डर पड़ा है ना, वहां पे बहुत से पॉइंट्स डिस्कस हुए हैं। ये सारे पॉइंट्स निटी बॉम्बे का बहुत एक्सटेंसिव प्रिपरेशन हुआ था बच्चों का, तो वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन है इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग का।
मतलब सर ये पीडीएफ पैनल में,
योर पीडीएफ पैनल पे अगर तुम्हें
Okay.
पता नहीं लग रहा है तो प्रदीप से पूछ लो, वो आपको गाइड कर देगा कि कहाँ पे निटी का सारा मटेरियल पड़ा हुआ है। इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग फोल्डर होगा, इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग मैनेजमेंट ऐसा कोई फोल्डर होगा, बिकॉज इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज आर देयर इन ऑलमोस्ट एवरी आईआईटी, राइट। आईईओआर है, आईसी बेंगलोर का था, निटी का गया, मद्रास का आएगा, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट। सो देयर इज अ डेडिकेटेड प्रिपरेशन मॉड्यूल केप्ट फॉर दिस, एंड ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस आर देयर, एंड प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस, इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस, डेली अपडेशन, वो सारे का सारा वहां पड़ा हुआ है। जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट इन डिटेल, राइट। And once you start listening to those mocks with the student and the questions and answers, you will find आपको बहुत से questions का आंसर ऑटोमेटिकली मिल जाएगा। निटी बॉम्बे के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ जब वो इंटरव्यू हुआ था उनका, उस टाइम पे मैंने बहुत से मॉक्स वहां डाले भी हैं पैनल के ऊपर। ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज यू हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट। सो Pradeep will help you in that, find it out and start preparing in that direction. Project you should know, and one more thing you do, you go and visit the department, and maybe if you can make your presentation PPT, the kind of PPT which I sent in the group today. Have you seen that?
Yes sir, I have seen.
Just make PPT related to that, similar to that. You will make, you go, what is to be written in that, what research area you want to work on. Go to the department, identify the professors, see their papers, send it to me. I'll correct it and send it back to you. It is working. Showing the presentation to the panel, there it is working, and you have got less gate score. It can work for you. You understand? Make a very good PPT showing what professors are doing, what you want to do, and pull the interview in one particular direction. In the introduction itself, you have to say, sir, I want to work in this area, and then they're going to ask you questions from there only. But see how you started your interview. Sir, I don't know anything about supply chain management and all. That is not a good way to start the interview. The good way to start interview is, sir, in supply chain management, this is the domain in which I would like to work, or this is the area in which I want to work. And what area, you just identify there, right? There's so many topics they're working on. Do it and send a good PPT to me, and we prepare ourselves for that. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, got it?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, how much time I can get before the interview? Up till now, they did not give me any date.
Start working today itself. Maybe 1 week to तेरे पास है ही. Nothing to worry.
Okay, sir.
Don't think about the when they are going to call you. Just prepare. At least you should focus on your preparation.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
चलो आदित्य, okay से क्लानी सर.
ओके 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 आदित्य.
Yes, sir.